given three vectors, v1 is equal to I cap minus j cap, v2 is equal to minus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap, and which one of the following v3, so which value for v3, that means v is v1, v2, v3, right, these are vectors that makes a complete set for three-dimensional real linear vector space, right. So to produce a linear vector space for these vectors v1, v2, v3, right, then using the matrix formed by v1, v2, v3, its determinant should not be 0, then only to form linear vector space, right, that is the condition, right. Just know about how we represent. Suppose what is v1 I cap 1, its coordinate minus 1, k cap not there, right, here minus 2, 3, 2. Now, so this is the matrix formed by, now this is v1 vector element, this is v2 vector element. Now you have to put another vector, one more vector we required, that is v3, right. So randomly you can choose, but the condition should be after you putting these values, the determinant should not be 0. So randomly we can put if you put so I am randomly putting 1, 2, 6 you put, right, 1, 2, 6, then what is the determinant value? 1 into 18 minus 4, right, then plus 2 into what is this, minus 6, alright, plus 1 into what is this, minus 2, right, minus 2, then 18 minus 4, 14, here minus 12, minus 2, 14, determinant equal to 0. So this is not the option, determinant A should not be 0. So here 1, 2, 6 you given, now I am trying to give this 2 minus 1, 2, suppose here I am giving 2 minus 1, okay, so here I am giving 2, here I am giving minus 1, here I am giving 2, alright. Now what is the determinant? 1 into 6 plus 2 plus 2 into, right, minus 2 plus 2 into, right, that is minus 2, again minus 2, alright, then 8 minus 4 minus 4, this is 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So this also not possible. Now let us check the fourth option, right. Fourth option, again here one minus 1 0, minus 2 3 2. Now fourth option is 2 1 4. What is the determinant? 1 3 into 4, 12 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 4 minus 0 plus 2 into, right, minus 2. Now what is the answer? 12 minus 2, 10, this is minus 8, this is minus 4, right. So this is not equal to 0, right. So this forms linear vector space because determinant A here not equal to 0, alright, alright. So this way you have to check if three vectors forming linear vector space, then the matrix formed by it is, that should not be equal to 0, its determinant value should not be equal to 0, alright.